Welcome to 5401 22nd Street in North Arlington. This is the perfectly situated home on a corner lot with an open floor plan. As you enter the home, you're greeted by this spacious living room with gas fireplace and brick surround, which is perfect for entertaining and hosting family and guests. In addition to the dining room area adjacent to the living room, you have this large kitchen. Love the granite countertops, custom cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances. This is better than the typical Arlington Rambler, where it's the small kitchen and you're confined in your space. Look how amazing it is to be cooking in this kitchen with natural sunlight coming in and the perfect prep space. The hardwood flooring on the main level takes you into the 3 full-size bedrooms with private closets and the upgraded hall bathroom that's shared by all 3. One of the advantages of a Rambler style home is that the lower level matches the upper level, so you have additional space and bedrooms. Standing here in what could be your 4th bedroom, next to it you also have an additional bedroom or office by design. So for those that are looking for the telecommuting option, this house does have it all. The lower level gives you a lot of options from functionality and design. With an additional kitchen area, this lower level could easily be used as an au pair suite or a wonderful place for recreation and entertainment. The owner has upgraded the flooring on the lower level. In addition to those upgrades, you'll see the fully remodeled bathroom with custom tile going from floor to ceiling. Outdoor space in North Arlington is a premium, and figuring out the best configuration and how to really maximize the space. You'll see here this expansive deck, which is perfect for entertaining. And I'll walk you down to some of the upgrades that the owner has made, including this fabulous studio. That's right, it can be an additional storage area, could be an art studio, or even your at-home office. And I love this gas fire pit with flagstone patio and an open area to truly enjoy the large space. As a corner lot, you get this advantage where you have extra space for parking. See how wide this pad is, where you could easily park 2 cars and have fun with extended play. It naturally goes right into the main level of the home. This side yard is perfect for outdoor recreation and the ultimate play area. Reach out to the Nellis Group today for your own private tour.